Welcome to Click AI. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how I created the black gold banana motion using the new CapCut update. Now, let's start with part 1. Banana creation in CapCut. Download the sample banana image and the prompt from oniclickai.com. This image helps the AI learn the correct cartoon style. Open CapCut AI Tools. Select Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt. Upload the sample image. Then click Send. Wait for the AI to generate your banana. Download the result and remove the background to create a clean PNG file. Now, let's move to part 2, motion creation in CapCut. Open CapCut on your PC. Go to AI Video. Import your banana PNG. Paste the motion prompt. Select the model, Seedance. Then click Generate. CapCut will create the motion and send it directly to the editing timeline. Now set your layout size, adjust the framing, and add your background. Choose a music track that matches the dance rhythm. Finally, add light effects to make the motion more dynamic. Clean 360-degree motion for the black gold banana. I hope this tutorial helps you learn more about AI design. Check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn more AI design ideas.